down pressure. And try the blade down pressure. Beautiful. Can you make a complete revolution? Nice. And just rev up the engine. Sounding good.
Auto idle.
It's on idle. Yeah, sounds good. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. If you want a nice little cat mini excavator, 304C, here's your opportunity. Everything seems tight on it. And as you can hear, it operates well. Come take a look at it, the preview for yourself. Bid, buy, and enjoy the opportunity.